Hi, Philip. So to access the MindTap course, which includes the ebook and all of the other activities that are pre-built for you, log into your Cengage account. You can select which title from this drop-down here. I added 2 titles here for you. We have quite a few more, but I just didn't want to overwhelm you. So if you keep scrolling down under courses, you'll see this one is your Arnold demo. If you click on that, it'll launch MindTap in a new tab. On this next page, you'll see MindTap. Over on the left-hand side, this is the learning path. So this is where all the pre-built content is. And so you would go in and decide what activities you would like to utilize. There are a lot in here. So for example, if I go into chapter 5, I can see there's a folder with pre-class activities. So here is just some practice questions. And then here are several videos. So you can see Arnold is known, he puts a lot of time and effort into his MindTap activities, and he creates a lot of these videos, these economics in 5 minutes, and then talking economics. Next is the ebook. And you can see there are some activities included in the ebook, some kind of graph building practice activities. If you click on the ebook, you can see the ebook is fully interactive, and along with all of MindTap and the learning path, it's customizable, so you can add your own content into MindTap and even in the ebook as well. So if you scroll through, the ebook is also available through the Cengage app, so you can have it on your phone, download it, and then you can actually access it offline, so it doesn't use any data or internet. So if students and yourself can take notes in here, so if you highlight some of the text, this menu pops up, highlight, you can add a note, and you can choose to add, you as an instructor can choose to share these notes with your students if you'd like or not. And then what's great for students is it's a great study tool. The Study Hub app over here on the right-hand side, it basically compiles all of their notes and highlights for them so they can study just their notes and highlights. They don't have to go digging through the ebook to find those notes. So as you can see, here they all are for me. It creates basically a study guide on the go. Okay, back out of the ebook. I forgot to mention the ebook also reads aloud to students or yourself, so you can also do that as well. What's wrong with this diagram? So this is a video quiz. Next, there are homework and resources. So as I mentioned, these are the end of chapter homework questions here. They're algorithmic, so you can have students practice them in here. And then there's also a chapter activity as well. So let's see. Excuse me, there's actually a few in here. So this one is a graphing one. I'm going to go ahead and go to this one, this homework as well. All of these use our homework platform Applia. So as you can see, if I click on this first one, it'll open up this question set. And you can see for each question set, I have 3 attempts. So you can change this to just 1 attempt if you'd like. But the idea of Applia is students get 3 attempts. You can get their average score, the best score, however you want to grade it. And they answer the questions. And then they click Grade It Now. And it gives them instant feedback. And it's pretty robust feedback. You can see the explanations here. And then they can click Try Another Version, and it changes the question slightly. So here's my first attempt, and then I can take my other 2 attempts to hopefully improve my score and improve my understanding of the content. There are also video problem walkthroughs. These are great for students to access, when they're not in class and they don't have access to you. If they're doing their homework late at night, they can look at these. And then there's also adaptive test prep. I think I mentioned this to you as well. This is where students can test themselves as many times as they'd like, and it's on test bank-like questions. So for example, I'm in chapter 5, so I can select what sections I'd like to study. I can pick how many questions I'd like to take, and then I click Take Test Now. They're all multiple choice or true false questions. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill this in and then submit and review. And here I can see I get feedback on why I got it right or wrong. And then some of them have these videos. They all have an ebook reader link, but it just depends on the question. See, here's another one with another video and another video. and just another e-reader link. Okay, and then they can just click retake this test, create a new test, and then they can see where they are struggling on this progress review tab here. This is a very quick overview. Again, this is all customizable. You can add your own content. You can hide content you don't like. You can change things from practice to graded, however you'd like. And this all integrates with Canvas. So it's a one seamless login for students, and then the grades flow directly from MindTap to your Canvas gradebook. Okay, let me know if you have any questions at all. Thanks.